Hey, I am Kshipra, and there's one thing about me that all my friends know, and that is that I love going out. And honestly, who doesn't? But sometimes body hair can become a little tricky and can come in my way of deciding what to wear, which is usually sleeveless. Now, I am someone who hates going to the salon, and that's the reason why I started shaving in the first place. However, I recently came across Biosoft microwave bags and I decided to give it a try. I am amazed at how easy it is to use, and I got done in 4 super simple steps. I just had to prep my skin with their pre-wax gel, then heat the wax in the microwave for about 2 to 4 minutes, wax my body with the hot wax, and finally moisturize it with their after wax oil. Now, what I like about this entire system is that it's extremely hassle-free and it's incredibly easy to use and gives super soft and supple skin at home. Well, I am ready to slay. What about you?